monastery at the back. Lot of people. From Gangtok it is around 74 kilometers, and so I guess it will take around 4 hours for us to reach Dzongu. We'll see how the journey goes.
For all the things that make me feel alive, one is definitely the mountains. One hand, the eagerness of how Dzongu will greet us, and on the other, the excitement of traversing the winding roads of Sikkim, promised for a beautiful and enthralling journey. Staring outside at the lush green canopy, occasionally interrupted by small cities and towns, and then once we crossed Mangan, the view of the enormous snow-clad mountain peaks was what this journey was mostly about. We woke up to the sound of heavy rainfall, which went on through the entire day. Much of our time was spent in and around the homestay, which is located in a small clearing amidst abundance of greenery. With rupees 1500 per head per day for fooding and lodging, the rooms are pretty comfortable and cozy.
This is the room we are staying in, and it's been raining continuously since the morning. That side, so over there you can see the entire range, but right now it's completely cloudy and foggy.
We spent the day sitting at the balcony, enjoying the rain, bird watching, and chatting with Dawaji, the ever-smiling owner of the homestay, as the clouds play hide and seek with the distant mountains.
आपकी वाइफ कहाँ पे है?
मेरा वाइफ नहीं है।
आपने शादी
मैंने शादी नहीं किया है, मेरे दोनों भाई ने शादी कर लिया।
बहुत अच्छा काम किया अब शादी नहीं करके।
Meanwhile, Dawaji's brother Lingthem and Lingthem's wife Sharing were busy preparing lunch.
कौन सा सब्जी है?
ये टिट्टी बोलते हैं ना इसको, लोकल ऑर्गेनिक है।
आप ही लोग यहाँ पे होता है ना?
यही बारी पर है।
This is thomba, and in Lepchas it is called chi. It's a locally made drink. This is millet and this is a bit of rice. Once this entire thing is finished, then you need to put hot water again. Wait for a few minutes. Like the stronger you want, the more time you keep it, then you can have it again.
কেমন খেতে?
We get this. See that? Dzongu is a beautiful, quaint place located in North Sikkim. It has got great views of the mountains. There is plenty of greenery over here, and it is a bird lover's paradise, you can say. And the walk around the village is also very satisfying. There are hardly much people around here, hardly much cars around this time. Great views of the mountain peaks. However, we didn't have much because of the bad weather, but today is definitely much cheerful than yesterday. Yesterday it was completely cloudy and foggy. And since the rain has stopped today, we have packed our bags for the day and have set out for a walk. I do feel very peaceful coming here because I always prefer traveling to places which are less crowdy.
Dzongu is a reserved area in North Sikkim and the traditional home of the state's native people, the Lepchas. The Tista River flows through the southeast end of Dzongu, whereas the Tholungchu River flows in the northeast. The mighty Kanchenjunga stands like a silent guard in the west. Dzongu Valley covers 78 square kilometers from Shibgar in the east to Sakyong Pentong village in the west, Kisongchu Lake in the north to Lum village in the south. The Lepcha refers to themselves as Muttanchi Rongku, which means children of God. They believe that they were created to protect and worship the Kanchenjunga. In the foothills of the mighty mountains, they believe is a hidden paradise, the Mayalyang, from which every Lepcha originated and is destined to go back in his or her afterlife. For the Lepchas, Dzongu is a pilgrimage place of superior importance. It is an area to which every Lepcha tracks his or her lineage and ancestry to. Outsiders, even from within Sikkim, require a permit to enter Dzongu. The Lepcha history and culture is intricately woven into its natural environment. The mountains, rivers, lakes and forests. Every aspect of nature is associated with stories of deities which come alive in their folklore. The Lingthem Chopel Darjeeling Monastery was built in 1857 as a branch of Penyangse Monastery, West Sikkim. The old structure was damaged in an earthquake and the rebuilding started in 1989. As soon as we entered the monastery, we saw local people and Lepcha Buddhist monks preparing for a grand celebration.
This is an annual Actually, we used to have marks dance every year.
What is that?
Marks dance.
Mask dance, okay. It is not happening this year?
Yeah. Actually, it was happening every year,
Okay.
and this time, since last 2 years, we couldn't organize it because of this COVID protocol.
Oh,
Yeah, they are making the images of gods and things.
yes,
The
yes.
deities and things are being described in it.
Right.
And during the puja, everybody will pray for the protection of every sentence being, every people living in and around here, for for its protection, to keep us away from the diseases, to keep us away from the natural calamities, and for the peace of all.
Right.
पूरा आटा का है
Every year it happens for 2 days.
For 2 days.
Yeah, every 2 days we have a marks dance, and
Okay.
every third year we have 3 days program,
3 days program.
and that will be a special dance which will show the life after death.
We are also having muri, papad chai and piyaji.
One thing that struck me instantly was how happy, content, and peaceful everyone was. There was so much positivity around the place that you feel what everyone was doing was out of pure joy, faith, and humility. To be honest, it was only me and Atrey with a phone or a camera at the place.
In loving memory of beloved wife, late Srimati Lamkit Lep. Wow, such a beautiful creation in the memory of his wife. So you're planning to go this way right now? Imagine someone doing office work. So Atri is right now, you won't believe, Atri is taking an office call right now. Thank God I have taken leaves, otherwise taking office calls from here is a sin, is a crime. Loving this walk by the monastery. So going down now, and we intend to reach at the bottom. This is also Atrey's first hike, so, and she is enjoying a lot as well. চারিদিকে প্রচুর পাখি ডাকছে, এখানে প্রচুর পাখি চারদিকে।
We stayed at Nuzongli homestay, which is run by the owner Dawaji, his brother Lingthem, and Lingthem's wife Sharing. On clear days, you get great views of the mountain peaks. Food is basic and simple, mostly organic, straight out of their farmlands. The people are friendly and hospitable. Located amidst plenty of greenery, It is a place that is rich in flora and fauna. If you love to spend time in solitude, if you are an avid admirer of the silence of nature, if your eyes feel relaxed and your heart skips a beat, when you feel the greenery around you, when you see the distant mountains, if your idea of travel involves small lazy walks across quaint mountain villages, then Dzongu is definitely your place. Hi everyone, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye bye.